Hello sewing people, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to introduce you to this Koyo machine. This is a vintage machine, solid, solid as they come. Everything is steel. It doesn't have the gears inside it. It's what you call rod driven machine. So this is a real workhorse here, and it's going to sew anything you want, and it's going to last you for the rest of your life. I just had it serviced, and it sews like a charm. Okay, let me let you see what I'm talking about here. Okay, that's this light up switch. Right now, let's see what I have it on. I have it on a blind hem stitch right now. There's a little cutter back here, thread cutter, which comes in real handy. Kind of messy here. I've been playing with it a little bit, doing some of the other stitches that it does. Super machine. Really quiet. Do this white here, several layers here, you can see a little better what it's doing. Have reverse right here. That's your blind hem. No, that is yeah, that's your blind hem. Okay, here's your straight stitch. No, I don't think I have it lined up right. And you can see the power behind this machine too, and I'm not flooring it. I have a tendency to sew fast. You can slow it down, speed it up, however you want to do. This is kind of like a velour type fabric here. A couple layers of that. That's not going to show up that color. Let me do a different color. I'll just put a couple more layers under there. Push button reverse. This machine just goes. And these are your stitches over here. Your to adjust your different stitches, change the different stitches rather. And this is your stitch length. And I have it set on 3, but that's a tiny stitch. So it seems the machine seems to be a little slightly different on adjusting stitches and that sort of thing. So you'll have to play with that. Not all machines are exactly alike. I normally sew with my machine about 2.5, and this one's on 3, and as you can see, it's still a tiny stitch. But it sews great. Like I said, it is a rod-driven machine. Under here is your bobbin. Now you can actually just pop this machine out of this case. It's sitting inside a storage case. You can put it on a table. You can put it in another cabinet, whatever you want to do. Up under here, I don't know if the camera's not going to pick that up, but as you can see, it's not gears up under there. It's rods. So this is a machine that was built back in the day to sew with, and it's not going to wear out. You're going to have to tune it up, oil it, grease it, that sort of thing. But it's going to run, buddy. This machine's going to go to town. So let me show you how to thread it. I have the manual with this book. So everything's in there. Now to thread it, you're going to go right behind here. This right here. Can't do, or a little difficult to do with one hand, but you go behind that. Sorry for the bump. Then you're going to come right down to on the right side, right there. Follow that. Come all the way down. Come back up. And it's going to catch. You can't really see it. Well, if you look in between those there, you can see that it's caught. And that is something that has to be done if you're going to sew on your machine. Let me try to move the camera a minute. Well, there she is. And you wind your bobbin right up here, just like I've shown you on a million other videos. Set it up there and wind the bobbin. And like I said, everything's in the manual. So I just want to let you see a quick demo of this machine in operation. It's a super, super dandy machine. And I have it for sale in my Etsy shop. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you. And come back. Happy sewing. Bye now.